Have you ever pondered over the significance of understanding IS 875, Part 1.5, 1987 in the realm of construction? If you're involved in this industry in any capacity, this code of practice for design loads, barring earthquake considerations for buildings and structures, is of immense importance. IS 875, Part 1.5, 1987 is a meticulously organized code divided into 5 parts. Each part outlines the specifications and guidelines for determining the suitable loads that different components of a structure or building should bear. Whether it's dead loads, which are permanent forces such as the weight of the building itself, or live loads, temporary forces resulting from occupancy or usage, or other dynamic forces, all are encompassed in this code. This code ensures the safety and durability of buildings and structures, making them fit for their intended use. So, understanding and implementing this code can enhance your construction projects, optimizing designs, reducing the risk of structural failures, and promoting efficient practices. The real benefit of familiarizing yourself with IS 875, Part 1.5, 1987 lies in the potential savings it can offer in your construction projects. By following the detailed guidelines of this code, you can avoid expensive errors, reworks, and potential legal complications, saving substantial amounts of money. The principles of IS 875 are the bedrock of our esteemed construction company, NewTech Constructions. Our commitment to excellence and adherence to industry best practices has enabled us to consistently deliver high-quality residential and house construction projects in Nagpur. Our expertise is rooted in a deep understanding of codes like IS 875, ensuring perfection in every project we undertake. By choosing NewTech Constructions, you're not just investing in a construction service, you're aligning with a legacy of quality, reliability, and innovation. Our work in Nagpur is a testament to our commitment to transforming visions into reality while prioritizing safety and structural integrity. To sum up, IS 875, Part 1.5, 1987 is more than just a code. It's a cornerstone of modern construction practices. This video is your gateway to unlocking the vast potential within these guidelines. As you delve deeper, you'll uncover a wealth of knowledge that can revolutionize your approach to building construction. So if you're looking to fortify your knowledge base, enhance your construction practices, or simply stay abreast of industry standards, this video is tailored for you. And remember, when it comes to construction in Nagpur, NewTech Constructions remains your trusted partner, ready to deliver unparalleled results. Immerse yourself in this journey towards excellence in construction. With IS 875 as your compass and NewTech Constructions as your guide, the possibilities are limitless.